record this for today. Okay, so I want to go over, this is one student's response. Okay, it's not correct. And as a group, we're going to decide where did they make their mistake, because this is probably the most common thing that kids have done. Okay, are you ready? Let's close Chromebooks, please, and eyes right here. We'll get a chance to work on them in a little bit. Okay? All right, so this is what the student did. And I like the part that they put 2x plus 30, and then they added x plus 12, and then they added 58, and they made that equal to 180. Okay? I'm going to tell you, there's some good things that I like about it. Who can tell me what they did wrong? Who can tell me what they did wrong? I'll give you a little bit of time to think. So they did 2x plus 30 plus x plus 12 plus 58, and they made all of that equal to 180. Okay? You ready? What did they do wrong? Lainey, you don't know. Okay? Well, let's take a look, Lainey. Is there any place that we know that equals 180 total up here? Sir, say again? So which two, like, because they have all three of these are on the bottom. I told that's not correct. Okay, so these two right here add up to a grand total of 180. Do you see how they added all of them to equal 180? So that's not true. We do know that whatever this is, plus this 58, plus this unknown is equal to 180. Is that correct? Okay. So we need to figure out what this is right here before we can figure out what that is. Right? Okay. So let's just change this right now to 2x plus 30 plus x plus 12. And that needs to equal 180. All right, so who can help me? What do we need to do? Gracie, let me know. What do we need to do? Combine like terms. So which terms can we combine? Okay, 2x and x make what? All right, so we have 3x, and we're going to add that to 42. Okay, we know that addition is commutative. I'll wait until eyes are up here and mouths are closed. Thank you. And that's equal to 180. All right, Ella, what's our next step?
You have to divide 42 by 3 and 3x by 3.
Uh-oh.
No.
No, not quite. We can't divide by 3 yet. We got to do something else first. You forgot my favorite part.
Oh. Okay. You have to subtract 42.
Right, but what do we do before we subtract 42? We got to do something else first. What? Thank you. Get that in there. Get that in there. Now we know whatever you do to one side, we got to do to the other. Perfect. All right, now we'll subtract our 42 from each side. And then we get a grand total of 3x is equal to what? 138. And now we get to do what, Ella? Divide by 3 on both sides. And x is equal to?
46.
It is 46. So now, oh, Mary, been waiting to call on you all day. Can we find this angle right here?
Yeah.
What do we need to do?
Add 46 to 12.
46 plus 12 is a grand total of what?
58.
58. And then, James A., what's our next step?
You add 58 plus 30.
58 plus 30. I wouldn't do 58 plus 30. We already know that this angle measure right now is 58, James. Mm-hmm. And we want to find this one right here.
Did you add 58?
I